Hello, welcome back, and right now it's time to design the right menu. So let's get started. Open up the CSS file and scroll down to the right menu. So this is the right menu section, and here we are going to select the anchor tag. So remove the rule and let's select the anchor tag. We will give anchor tag a color of slightly black, and we will say #333, and this will do the job. And we will say text decoration for removing the underline, and we will say text decoration none, and the value none, what it does, it will remove the underline from this text. So when we refresh the page, it will remove the underline. So as for the icon, we will select the icon by this rule, and we will say give a font size of 16 pixels and give a background of I used #E4E6EB, and that is the background which I have given here. And let's save the file, and let's add a width of 40 pixels and height of 40 pixels, and let's see what happened. As you can see, we have given the width and height, and it's time to give the border radius property to round the corner, this corner. So we'll say border radius 50%, and when we save the file and we refresh it, you will see that it's given the border radius and it will round our icon corner. So we will say text align center. This property is used to align text in a desired position. So we will say text align center. Our desired position is center because we need to align our icon inside the center position. So we'll say, here you can see it's aligned in the center, and we will add a line height. So we will add a line height property equal to the height of the icon which we have given. So as we given the line height property, it will center the element according by the height of the icon. So we'll refresh the page. As you can see, it's given the center position. So let's give a little bit margin to our li. So here we'll say margin of top and bottom 0 pixels, and left and right 5 pixels. Refresh the page, and you can see it's given the margin. So let's give a center position to this element. So we will go to index.html file, and we'll say in the UL, we say align items in a center position. When we refresh the page, you will see it's aligning the item in the center position. So that's it for now, and see you in the next lecture.